Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a new account on the Phantom wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Phantom wallet application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken to the home screen where you can tap on create a new wallet to create your own new wallet. Now you will be asked whether you want to turn on device authentication. This will enable biometric security so you can turn on if you wish. Then you might be asked to enter your fingerprint or use your Face ID. After doing this, tap on the next button and you will be shown your secret recovery phrase. You can copy it to your clipboard or save it manually and then tap on OK, I saved it somewhere. Make sure you don't forget this recovery phrase because this will be needed when you need to recover your account. After confirming that you have saved the seed phrase, you will be told that your wallet has now been created. Simply agree to the terms of services and tap on Get Started. And now there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Phantom wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.